Guys, I just like to make an update, guys, on our progress. So as you can see, guys, we fill our bags or fill our boxes by new sets of card. So we bought a lot of Crimson Haze. Okay, so we buy 10 of this box. And actually now this is only around 120 ringgit. So you multiply, guys, probably that is around 25 to 30 USD. So very cheap, still cheap right now. So if you check the Crimson Haze, guys, in Japanese version, I saw 30 pieces, around 400 ringgit. So it's almost times 4. So imagine that, guys. So imagine if the Korean market will be level on the Japanese market. So imagine, guys, our possibilities. So that's why I'm keep on telling you guys that you should do your own research and try to invest on Korean market, because Korean Pokemon cards were also cool, and you can check that out on our previous videos, guys. I show you the comparison of Japanese, English, and Korean cards, and of course I show you even in the normal cards, in the holo cards, reverse holo, illustration rare, SAR. So there's no much difference, guys, compared to Japanese, except for the some of the illustration rares, which is more shiny, but it's really, it's really low percentage. The difference between them is very low. Okay, so we can say we can still say that Japanese cards quality is way better than Korean cards, but it's very very small difference only, guys. So in my point of view, the difference on the price is still, is still more better than the difference in the quality. So that's why it's time to, to invest, guys, in Korean market. So if you are new to Pokemon collecting and Pokemon investment, I would suggest that you start on looking on Korean market. So please do your own research, don't rely on me. So I'm just telling my own thoughts and my own opinion, guys. So all of these things that I'm saying right now is based on my research and based on my experience. So I've been in the industry for 4 years. I've been collecting a lot of Pokemon cards, but lately I stopped collecting English and Japanese version, guys, because there's so many scalpers around, and the price is going insane. Actually, I want to buy 151. Okay, so I'm planning to collect 151 cards, and Team Rocket, but Destined Rivals, but I stopped it because the price, guys, is very expensive. So for example, guys, this one booster box, okay, so this Black Bolt in Korean market, guys, you can buy this for 129 ringgit to probably 150 ringgit. So imagine the difference. And in Japanese version and English version, guys, this booster box consists of 20 packs, is around I think the cheapest one in Japanese version is 350. So imagine, it's already doubled. Even though they are new set, the price difference is doubled or tripled, guys. So it's really insane. So I believe that there's a lot of room for Korean market, and there's a lot of potential. So do your own research, and I would suggest you start investing on them, because if this is the new meta right now, guys. So all of the collectors, all of the people who is tired on the scalping on the English versions. As you can see in the internet, people are fighting for the Pokemon cards, especially in US. Okay, so they are fighting because they want to scalp all of those Pokemon cards in the market. So that's the reason why the price going up like crazy, like times 5, times 10. So that's the reason, guys. So if you are tired of that, and if you are very very tired on fighting with other people just to get a Pokemon card and just to buy your favorite packs, so I think it's better, guys, to switch to Korean market, because right now, okay, Korean market is not that in demand. I mean, the demand is there, the price is going up already, but it's not yet like in the English version and Japanese version, when so many scalpers already jump into the market. So probably, guys, so maybe 1 to 2 years from now, I'm talking about 1 to 2 years from now, these booster packs will be very expensive because of the scalpers. They will transfer also in Korean market. So we don't know yet. So it's better you act now than never. So actually, I'm just a small investor and I'm just a small content creator, guys. So I'm planning to sell all of this for me to buy new packs so I can open more packs. So we are not selling this for big profit. So the overall, actually, so yeah, you can see here in my room. So this one is I think around 70 to 80 booster box. So we are selling this, maybe probably our initial investment is around 2,500 USD right now because I already added some stuff. So 2,500, probably my target only, guys, is to double to double it so I can buy more packs for myself so that we can support our channel because as you know, our channel is not yet monetized and we are using these funds, guys, to buy more packs for our pack openings. So please guys, subscribe on our channel, support our channel, and we are self-supporting channel. We don't have any sponsorships. Okay, so I really hoping, guys, that you will help me to reach my goal to get my desired number of views and subscribers. So that's all, guys, for today's video, guys, and see you on the next one. I really appreciate it if you will subscribe. God bless, and please comment your thoughts about this Pokemon market craze. So God bless, guys.